Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something really exciting for you. We're diving deep into the world of digital marketing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this video has tips and strategies to help you master the game. So let's get started. Segment 1: The Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. Let's kick things off with the fundamentals. In this module, we'll cover the basics of digital marketing. From understanding your target audience to creating killer content, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for some expert insights and actionable tips. Segment 2: Social Media Marketing. Now let's talk social media. In this digital age, it's crucial to have a strong social media presence. We'll discuss the latest trends, platform-specific strategies, and how to leverage social media to boost your brand. Get ready to up your social media game. Segment 3: SEO Secrets Unveiled. Up next, we're demystifying SEO, search engine optimization. Learn the secrets to getting your website to the top of search engine results. We'll cover keyword research, on-page optimization, and the latest SEO trends. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Segment 4: The Power of Email Marketing. Email marketing remains one of the most powerful tools in the digital marketer's arsenal. Discover how to build an effective email campaign, segment your audience, and craft compelling newsletters. Plus, we'll share some email marketing success stories that will inspire you. Segment 5: Analytics and Data-Driven Decisions. Last but not least, let's talk analytics. Learn how to track and interpret data to make informed decisions. We'll cover tools like Google Analytics, show you how to set up goals, and discuss the metrics that truly matter. Remember, data is your best friend in the world of digital marketing. There are many modules like website development, social media, optimization, SMS, marketing, graphics, designing, etc. For more information, please visit our official website, www.digischema.com, and call us on these numbers. Well, there you have it, our complete guide to mastering digital marketing. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just curious about the digital landscape, we hope this module has provided you with valuable insights. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more exciting content.